In this video, I'll be making my version of Spanish garlic shrimp. This is a really simple recipe to make and everything happens in one pan. It's packed with flavor and you can really make it as mild or as spicy as you like. We're going to start by rough chopping some yellow onion. You can use as much or as little onion as you like. I'm using about 1/3 of an onion for 9 shrimp. I'm also going to smash and slice 3 cloves of garlic. I actually sliced mine too thin. You definitely want it a bit thicker so it doesn't burn. Next up is our flavor. I'm using authentic Portuguese chorizo, but you can also use Spanish or Mexican chorizo or even linguiça if it's available. I'm using about 1/4 of the whole link. Cut that in half down the middle, then slice into chunks. Time to cook. I'm adding some olive oil to a stainless steel pan, just enough to coat the bottom. Then I'll drop in my chorizo and let that fry until we start to see it brown and crisp up. While that does its thing, we'll season our shrimp. I'm going to season mine with salt, pepper, and some paprika. Next, we'll add our shrimp to the pan as well as our onion and garlic. We'll create a simple sauce by combining some butter, white wine, and hot sauce to taste. At this point, we're pretty much done. I like to top it with a bit of cilantro at the end just for some color and a bit of freshness. You can serve this over fries, rice, or just enjoy it with some crusty bread.